Cooking sous vide turkey breast is a great way to incorporate cooking sous vide style in any of your Thanksgiving or other holiday occasions. This sous vide Thanksgiving turkey is made with a 3.5 pound bird, but you could adjust the recipe for any size turkey breast that you cook sous vide style. Ghee is one of my favorite ways to add fat to the sous vide bag without making a mess, because a lot of vacuum sealers don't do very well with using a lot of liquid in the bag. To season the sous vide turkey breast, I use garlic salt, black pepper, ghee, a shallot that's finely diced, rosemary also finely diced, and I like to use lemon to put around the turkey when it's getting vacuum sealed. It's amazing how just a little bit of flavor onto the turkey goes a long way in making a delicious turkey breast sous vide style. Once the sous vide bag of the turkey breast is prepared, it's ready to go for about 3 hours at 145 degrees. Now, because all sizes of turkey breast vary, you're going to want to take out the turkey breast and make sure to check the inside temperature on the turkey to see if it's ready to just go into the broiler or to see if you need to finish it off in the oven. A lot of times you might need to finish it off in the oven. This one was about maybe 30 or so degrees off, so I put it in the oven for 20 minutes and it did quite well coming up to temperature. If your turkey breast is small and it completely finished in the sous vide machine, you can just broil it for a few minutes. Cooking turkey sous vide style, make sure that it's nice and tender and moist on the inside. It's probably going to be one of the most delicious turkeys that you've ever cooked at home. And then finishing it in the oven, either baking it to temperature or broiling it for a few minutes, gives it that nice golden turkey crust. I highly recommend this for any occasion, any holiday, and especially Thanksgiving or Christmas sous vide style meals. I hope you have a wonderful day and check back for other delicious sous vide recipes. Cheers!